Right, so it's day 2. So today we're changing over this, removing the obsolete water heater supply and stuff. So all this will be gone. This isn't being used anymore. This has been removed, as it says. There's a 15 amp radial circuit in here. When we've done the ICR, we don't know what it was. So today we'll be connecting up the lights, the ring main, and the oven. So yeah, I'll bring you back with an update. We'll get this off, get a new board on there, and then go from there. Left with, just got the old PVC cables, but as you can see from the sticker, it was done in 1997. So yeah, now we've just got to get the new board on, and then start getting it away. I'll bring you back after that. There we have it, all mounted, level. So yeah, all the earths are in, like so. Now just put the belly back in, put the RCBOs on, and then get the cables in, start testing. So they're all in, the old cables are there, the ones not being used, but we'll put some mastic over there at the end. Yeah, the live neutral on every one, RCBOs in, put the buzz bar in now, tails in place, and start testing. Right, so there we are, mains tail switch in, comes up into there. These are all torqued up to the settings, buzz bars along the bottom, put the cover over there, got some fire mastic which we'll put in there afterwards. They're all torqued up, and then we've clamped this on there with a ring crimp. So yeah, now we've just got to test it, R1, R2 testing, etc. and then sign it off. We're just doing R1, R2, linking lead between breakers on. There's no power going to it at the moment. And then Kieran's running around just checking it. Just make sure we've got the same readings as last time. There we have it, fire foam or mastic. And then we've done got to do our live tests now, ZS's. Label the board up, job done. The end of day 2. Next test day, circuits, smudged it annoyingly, put it on, but you can make out what it says. Labelled up, there's a bit of dirt there, give that a wipe. Showed you inside, all foamed off. Isolator, new ring crimp on there, new 16mm leg coming up. Yeah, so that's that all clipped in. And then I'll show you the bonding. Bonding clamp is there, replaced onto the main stop clock there. Big tag going on there. So that's that fixed. And then I'll take you upstairs and show you upstairs. So one of the issues we had was this light wasn't working, which it now is. And that's upstairs. There was this light in here. They had connected it through together, but they had left no neutral coming over to this one, so we had no neutral at the light. So that's that fixed. Take you upstairs. I showed you everywhere on yesterday's video. If you haven't watched it, check it out. But yeah, just added some sockets in there, and they're ready for the plastering. This light here got repaired. Had no earth before, so that's that all fixed. Yeah. So if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you check out the other one if you haven't already, and make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.